Committee dignitaries, we deeply appreciate your presence, marking the auspicious beginning of our proceeding of the day. The luminous start, let's proceed with our planned schedule. Prayer connects us to the Almighty.
Work. We are honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest. Dr. J. Kannan would be joining us shortly. He is a senior consultant, interventional cardiologist and electrophysiologist at Narayana Institute of Cardiac Sciences, Narayana Health City in Bangalore. He also worked as assistant professor of medicine in the Department of Cardiology at Sri Ramakrishna Medical College and Research Institute, Chennai. He has extensive experience in cardiology and over the years has practiced and trained extensively across the country. We thank him for having gracefully accepted our request to be here despite his busy schedule. Our next guest is Mr. Trichy Saravakumar. Mr. Trichy Saravakumar, better known as TSK, is an actor known for his appearances on Vijay TV, particularly recognized for his participation in shows like KPY Champions and Labbat Pandu movie. He has gained fame for his performances in comedy and entertainment. We thank him for having gracefully accepted our request to be here. Welcome, sir. Our next guest is Mr. Azhar. Mr. Azhar is an actor known for his participation in the Tamil television channel Vijay TV show, particularly in the talent show Kings of Comedy Junior, where he gained popularity for his comedic skills. He has become a recognizable figure in the Tamil entertainment industry through its performances. We thank him for having gracefully accepted our request to be here. Welcome, sir. A warm welcome to Principal Madam Asha Krishnan, who has been consistently and actively working for the welfare of the students in the institution. Welcome, ma'am. A warm welcome to all the parents, well-wishers of the institution, teachers, students, and other invitees who are heartfelt welcoming everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you on this joyous occasion of our school's annual day celebration. Today, we are honored here to have with us our esteemed chief guest. Now, sir, I am also a pretty girl. Thank you so much, sir. Next is our super fame, KPY fame, Mr. Azhar. Sir is a television host and an actor. May I now humbly request our respected Managing Director, Dr. Puvi Arasan, to kindly come forward and felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Azhar, as a token of our love and gratitude. Sir, thank you, sir, for your presence on the stage. For this honor will truly mark the significance of this event. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Say you're welcome, sir. May I now request our Managing Director, Mr. Puvi Arasan, to felicitate, sir. Dr. J. Kannan is a senior consultant, interventional cardiologist and electrophysiologist at Narayana Institute of Cardiac Sciences, Narayana Health City in Bangalore. He also worked as assistant professor of medicine in the Department of Cardiology at Sri Ramachandra Medical College and Research Institute, Chennai. He has extensive experience in cardiology and over the years has practiced and trained extensively across the country. Thank you, sir, for making it here. You're welcome again.
We will just see a glimpse of what has happened this year. We have been traveling together, so let us just see what happened with us this year.